Make your friend sit in the middle seat. How to fly Ryanair and not want to die. Ryanair, with its bright yellow cabins and fees for everything. Want an oxygen mask in an emergency? That'll be 25 euros, folks. So today I'm giving you essential can't live without tips that'll change your lives forever. Let's go. Number one, you get what you pay for. So the less you spend, the more you'll suffer. You can pay to add all types of things like extra hand luggage, extra legroom, priority boarding, all that good stuff. And the more you add, the better it will be. But wait for the next tips because it gets better. Bring friends. I brought my oldest best friends, Sean and Johannes, who I've known since I was 9. I love repaying my friends for years of loving friendship by taking them on Ryanair. In all seriousness, friends distract you and traveling with them is always more fun. The more the merrier. Just make sure you select seats together or Ryanair will intentionally give you seats at opposite ends of the plane because they want to end your friendship. €4 please, or your friendship is over. Thank you very much. Bring your friends to the lounge.
Oh my god.
I have lots of credit cards that get me and my friends in for free so we can eat, drink, and sit quietly among a bunch of angry old people who should be screaming with joy that they're not flying on an airline with yellow seats. You can also get a membership from Priority Pass, which gets you into lounges all over the world, but do the math and it could be worth it for you. For example, if you travel often with hungry children or hungry friends, it's even better value. Make your friend sit in the middle seat. So Sean, did you know that the middle seat is actually the safest seat on the plane? If something from the engine hits my window, I'm the first to go, you know? And we're all happy. Don't go to the bathroom. Why? Because the aircraft gets turned around in 25 minutes. Cleaning the bathroom, ain't nobody got time for that. So if you really need to pee, hold it in. So the only reason we fly Ryanair is because it's cheap, right? Yet what I like about them is that they let you decide how much you want to suffer. I love suffering, which is why I selected seats in the very back with the least legroom. But if you actually like to enjoy life, I recommend selecting a seat a little further up with some extra legroom. I know this is redundant from the first point, but I think I should have learned from my own lesson because I didn't, and now major regrets. And last but not least, you can always sleep. Like my friend Sean and Johannes did, both of them listened to a podcast and then went right to bed. Sleep. I meant sleep. Of course, you should bring a neck pillow because you'll be even more comfortable. Just a warning, do not walk around the airport wearing a neck pillow. It may be convenient, but it's not cute. It conveys that you're ready to fall asleep at any time. Would you talk to someone walking around the airport wearing an eye mask and pajamas? No, same thing. Okay guys, we made it to our Airbnb here in Prague. I'm just gonna give you a tour because this is insanely good value. We're paying $100 a night, and it seems like 8 people can stay here. Got a nice kitchen. Then in here we have 2 bedrooms, and upstairs another bedroom with a bathroom. And if you've never stayed at an Airbnb before, you can get $40 off using the link in the description. $40 for free. It's awesome. Millions of us Europeans and visitors fly Ryanair every year. And all we can do is try our best to make the experience a little bit better. Ultimately though, the best way to fly Ryanair and not want to die is to not fly Ryanair. Fly safe, guys.